Hey, how's it guys? Chef Reggie here with Aloha Shoyu. And welcome again to another edition of Aloha Shoyu Saturdays. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to our newsletter on our website on alohashoyu.com. And on this week's Aloha Shoyu Saturday recipe, we'll be using Aloha Shoyu poke sauce. And to this, I'll add it to our main dish. I'll be making hot sour soup. Alright, for the hot and sour soup, we'll be using shiitake mushrooms, some garlic, some bamboo shoots, some celery, white onion, some green onion. We'll be using chicken powder with some bulb, some egg, oyster sauce, and sesame oil. And last but not least, we'll be using Aloha Shoyu's poke sauce. We'll start sauteing our vegetables for the hot and sour soup. We'll start with sesame oil in a heated pan. And to this, we'll just add our white onions. And then we'll add garlic. And then we'll just mix this around real quick. And then we'll add our celery. And our shiitake mushrooms. Real quick and easy soup you can make at home using Aloha Shoyu's poke sauce. So you just want to stir it around, make sure it doesn't burn. Like so. And then we'll just add our bamboo shoots. And we'll just let this cook for probably like 2 minutes. Now I'm just going to add a sambal, which is crushed red peppers. You could add more or less depending on how spicy you want it. Stir it around. And then we'll add oyster sauce. Maybe 3 teaspoons. This recipe will call for we'll make about good enough for 4 people. Alright. Now we'll just deglaze the pan with a little Aloha Shoyu's poke sauce. And as always, you want to give it a good shake. And then let's just pour it in. Okay, you want to stir it around. All right, as you can see, it's nice and simmering. Let's add a little bit of chicken powder. And stir it around, and then what you want to do now is add some water. And then we'll just bring it to a boil after. And then we'll thicken it up, and then add our egg slowly. All right, our soup is boiling away, and right now it's the right time to put in your slurry. Slurry consists of cornstarch and water, and just a little more, and that should be good. Now you just want to stir it in. That's nice stir. And then we're ready. We're almost done. We're ready to add our egg. You want to turn down the heat. Give it a nice stir. And then our egg. Not much of a technique here, but you want to give it a nice stir while you drizzle the egg in, is what I kind of use to get those nice ribbons. Just around. While you're stirring, you want to drizzle your egg. All right. And then to this, we'll just top off the dish with green onion.
Add a splash of Aloha Shoyu cider vinegar for extra sour flavor.
Looking good. All right, I'll meet you guys back at the table where we'll just plate this up. All right, so we have our soup here, our hot and sour soup. I'm just gonna ladle some into our serving bowl. I mean, having soup right now is good because the weather is getting colder. And there we go. And then we'll just top it off with some sliced green onion. And there you have it, some hot and sour soup. And if you have a recipe that you want to see us using Aloha Shoyu products, comment down below. Mahalo guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and then we'll see you next week on another Aloha Shoyu Saturdays.